Hi, I'm Dale.
And I'm Michael.
And welcome to
Spotted Motors.
And welcome to, as promised, I hope so anyway,
We hope so.
firing up the Twin Turbo LS fuel injected.
Pain in the arse.
For the first time. We've done a couple of spins over the motor just to make sure we've got oil pressure. We've checked for fuel pressure leaks and all that type of stuff.
Yeah, we just powered the pump up with a power probe.
You don't want to watch that.
Lines, yeah.
It's quite boring. We're not running boost because we've still got the intercooler to sort out.
Yeah, no boost. So it's just to get it fired up and make sure all the wirings.
Yeah.
I'm going to go through the basic settings in the Terminator now on the touch screen. Like I say, this is genuine. This car's not run. So if it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, we'll be scratching our heads.
Yeah. And kicking the camera around. So yeah, Mike's going to go straight on now down in the settings. Don't know how many of these. Mike's never done it before, so might be.
Just follow the screen. Yeah. Follow the instructions and
yes, sir. No, sir.
Well, hopefully, we'll have a bit of noise.
Yes.
Even if we unrun it for a minute, it doesn't matter. Yeah. The clock's ticking. We've got five days and we're at a show.
Yeah. So
it's a 30-mile round trip. So fingers crossed. Why not have any problems there?
Right, going on to the Terminator.
Let's go and have a look, mate. I'll power it up.
So Michael's just spanned through all the Terminator X setup, which was like a quiz in itself, but we're there. We hope. There's a few we've missed out, but so we want that wide open, Michael. So we haven't got the cable set up yet, and it's asking for wide open throttle. Not that we need it right this second, but we're just going to have to spin that. The slowest you've ever moved a throttle, Michael. So I'm sure that's just setting up the TPS.
Take me out, I think.
I love your nervous laughs. Scary, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, let's just fire it up, like.
Got no throttle.
Oh, good, yeah. But it's not like that, is it?
Should, yeah, well, might need a throttle away.
So you're worried about that, I'm worried about getting the camera angle right, Michael. Right, we're back on. Like I said, we've got no throttle cable, so we're just a bit missing on the
Ready?
On the action, yeah.
Fire it up once.
We did say it was going to be running.
For a brief amount of time, didn't it? Oh.
I mean, just pulling the plug out to see. Obviously we're very nervous and we just want to make sure everything is right, so we're just going to pull a plug out and just see how that's behaved. See if it, check if it hasn't flooded because fuel pressure was a little bit too high. But it did fire. It did. Ready?
Ready when you are.
Yeah.
It's definitely flooded, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Definitely flooded.
Did you see on there what it was saying?
60. So that fuel pressure's dropped now. Well, I think the plug's only clearing now. Done it before the track, didn't it?
Yeah. 8. Plug's coming out. I think she smells like. Do you?
Yeah.
Go then. Hang on. Pop that. Blow that off there.
Ah, what did?
Well, when the fuel pump come on.
Did it?
Yeah.
Pop that off?
Yeah. Yeah, it wouldn't just come up on its own.
Shouldn't. Keep an eye on the next one out that comes out. Ready?
Yeah. No. Once the plug's open, it.
Yeah, 100%.
Right, we're going to have one last go. Michael's on the throttle.
One last chance.
We're not hoping.
No.
Well, we haven't got much hope, but
I think we need to bring the laptop in, plug the laptop in,
yeah.
Go further into settings. Some of the settings weren't allowing us to put the right inputs in. Wait till that's finished, Bill.
go.
Wait till that's finished, and yeah, go. Go on. That's so.
Yeah.
That's soaked. So, just for the camera while it's still on,
Yeah.
when it asks you to select, put the input for the injectors in, I've got £100 an hour injectors, which is right for what brake horsepower that we're aiming for. But it only lets you input to £48. Now the Holly injectors, it's a Holly ECU. I can only think that now you've got to go into the laptop and go further into settings, which I haven't got the laptop with us today. I didn't think we were going to need it. So it's going to be a bit more head scratching
and reading up.
A bit more reading up, few YouTube videos, the usual, and bring the laptop in and have a little play with that thing.
Yeah.
Because that's as far as it's going to go today with this.
Yeah, it sure is, yeah. I mean, it's popped, we're going to class that as it's been running.
Not as exciting, we've let them down again, didn't we?
I know, yeah, these videos are getting less and less exciting, but it's just following real life footage of what it's like.
Yeah, this is exactly what it's like. Don't be fooled.
Yeah, we could quite easily show you Michael pulling it a bit and then it driving off down the road. So yeah, that's exactly where we're at. We've got 2 plugs, one dry, one wet. So there's another thing for us to look at. But Michael, I think we'll wrap up with your back to the camera. Yeah, keep following us on the journey.
Yeah.
There's plenty more to come. This is only the very, very beginning of our new setup. So get involved, get subscribed, and yeah, just as always, thank you very much for watching.
We've been
Spotted Motors.
I'll give you that.
I'll give you that, Michael.